Serbia is so well organized. The atmosphere is a very welcoming one and a very warm.
I'm experiencing people that are hungry to present themselves to the world.
So you feel hospitality and feeling people and getting in touch. I think that's the story about an expo.
Yeah, this is my 10th expo that I will be responsible for Switzerland. And it's the best IPMs I've ever had. They were in Belgrade, so congrats.
The theme of this expo, Play for Humanity, is a very important message to the world.
For you, it's a great opportunity to make us see and feel who you are and what you're capable of.
People are very friendly and everything is so well organized.
And definitely what I will tell many Swiss, come and visit, enjoy the food, enjoy the hospitality.
I would go back and tell my friends, go to Belgrade and really have a beautiful time over there.